With anything that I'm sharing, know that it's all natural. Safe for the whole, well, especially the vitamins, safe for the whole family to use. But if you have any questions, let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the vitamins. I feel like I kind of got out of my rhythm and routine of coming on live, and I hate that I missed yesterday coming on here with you all, but I needed to take a self-care day, right? If you saw the video that I did yesterday, then you know. If you didn't, it's okay. But I needed to kind of pull back, take a self-care day, and here I am. So if you have your vitamins, hi Kelly, hey, did I say hello? If you have your vitamins, go ahead and grab your vitamins, and remember that this is a multivitamin, and what it helps to do is fill in nutritional gaps. 1 tablespoon, y'all type 1 tablespoon in the comments. It helps to fill in nutritional gaps. It helps to boost your metabolism. You'll also notice an increase in energy literally within minutes, and it just really helps with overall health and overall immune support. And I believe that everyone should be on, good morning Jacqueline, everyone really should be on a multivitamin, because no matter how healthy we eat, right, especially with the way the foods are today, I don't think we'll ever get all of our vitamins and nutrients in. Good morning. Very strange. We'll never get all of our vitamins. Hi Debbie. We'll never get all of the vitamins and nutrients in just from our food alone. So I've been taking this particular Highland multivitamin since 2018. It absolutely makes me feel amazing. And I notice how I feel when I don't take my vitamins. And I want to talk to y'all about that a little bit when we're done. Hold on. So, and this is available in a 30-day supply, but let me just kind of share this. Good morning, Ernestine. Good morning. And so with the vitamins, so what the 15-day challenge is the ladies have committed to a 15-day challenge, and it comes with a 15-day supply of the liquid vitamin. It comes with a 15-day supply of the detox tea and a 15-day supply of the metabolism booster. And I'll share what that is. And I believe it was either about 20 or 21 ladies that committed and said yes. And pretty much all of them have received their packages. So I'm so excited. And what that is really is just a way for you to try the supplements that I'm sharing without committing to 30 days. And it's really you just showing up for yourself. We're keeping it simple. Somebody type 1, 2, 3 in the comments. And as I shared in the last video that I did, it really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. You're going to show up for yourself each day. Make sure that you take your vitamin, that you drink your tea, that you're taking your metabolism booster, and I'll share what that is in just a moment. And that's step number 1, right? That's all you're going to do. Step number 2, all you're going to do is drink your water, right? I make sure that I keep, these are both empty, and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I make sure that I keep water around me. All you're going to do is drink your water. And the goal is, to make sure that you're just drinking 1 more cup of water than you did the day before, and trying to get as close as you can to 8 cups of water a day. But if you know that you already don't drink any water, you wouldn't want, 8 cups of water a day to be your goal on day 1. So just try to drink your water. And step number 3 is to move your body, whatever that looks like for you. I'm not saying that you need to be in the gym for 2 hours. If you are, that's wonderful. I'm not telling you how to move. I don't care if you dance, if you're vacuuming, cleaning your house, going for a walk, whatever it is. So again, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You're keeping it simple. And I promise you, in that 15 days, you will feel amazing. And that's what this is, really just to get you all in a habit of showing up for yourself, fueling your body properly, drinking your water, and moving your body. And so that's all it is.